What is up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. Hopefully each and every one of you guys is having a great and amazing day. If it's your first time stopping by, go ahead and smash that subscribe button and follow me on both of my social media links, both Instagram and Snapchat. Alright, so before we get started on today's video, I did launch my clothing line a few videos ago, so hopefully you guys enjoy them. It is linked in the first link in the description below. Here is an example of a hoodie that I have created, and I have t-shirts, long sleeves, apparel for the women, stickers, hoodies of course, and they look absolutely amazing. Go ahead and check them out. Let me know in the comment section below what your favorite one is, and if you like it, go ahead and purchase one, and make sure to use the discount code Stealthy15. So I'm actually out here taking pictures today, but that's not the point of today's video. The point of today's video is to compare the Damond Motorsports rear motor mount with the Mountune one, really, and in my opinion it's much better. Let's take it to the GoPro and compare it. Let's get going. Alright, and we are at our second location for pictures. Alright guys, so let's get straight into the video. First and foremost, I apologize about my voice and me being sick. That's the reason for the lack of videos recently. I'm barely starting to get over it, and it is just ridiculous. My head is throbbing, my throat is killing me. It's bad. Anyhow, 2 videos ago I installed the Damond Motorsports rear motor mount, and in the last video I installed the Cobb solid shift bushings along with the shift brace bushings, and today I am going to give you my thoughts on them. Yes, it did make a significant difference. I definitely suggest you doing it. The shifts are just so much smoother with the rear motor mount because your engine isn't rocking back and forth anymore. Most of you probably know that I did have the Mountune one on there beforehand, and it is significantly better than the Mountune one, and the Mountune one was a lot better than the stock. So essentially the Damond motor mount has absolutely no polyurethane bushings. It is completely solid, and it's a solid mount, and it's just making a much better driving experience. Sure, there's a little bit more vibration and NVH, but that was expected before I even purchased it. I can definitely deal with it. With the AC on the car, definitely vibrates a lot more than the Mountune one. But hey, it's a race car. I rarely have my AC on. I'm always driving with my windows down, whether it be summertime or wintertime. So if you watched the video that I installed, the Damond rear motor mount, you know that with my Mountune one I was getting a clunking noise upon hard driving and launches. The reason being was that the mount pretty much failed. That polyurethane fell apart. I don't know how it did, but it did. So it went soft on me. Haha, it went soft. Anyhow, it was time to replace it, and thankfully I'm not getting that clunking noise, so that was definitely the issue. You also saw that I was getting a ton of wheel hop on low rolls and from a dig, so we're going to go test that right now to see if the wheel hop has improved with the new motor mount. I believe it has. I really haven't tested it out yet, but it should make a significant difference, and I shouldn't have any more wheel hop now that the motor mount has been replaced with a new one. Now for the Cobb solid shift bushings. As you guys know, I had the stock ones on the shift brace and they were completely worn out. Guys, I only have 24,000 miles on this thing, and that rubber was already falling apart. I don't know if it's melted, if that's what the issue is. Anyhow, we installed the Cobb, the solid shift bushings, and it made a significant difference. I definitely suggest this. It's a cheap mod. I believe it was like $40. 100% go pick it up. It makes a huge difference. And I also did one of the shift cable bushings, and of course those make a big difference as well. My shifts are just so much more crisp, and while I was down there I adjusted the shifter and it made a big difference. Let's do a little comparison on shifting. Alright guys, time to test out how much wheel hop there is. So much better than before. That was just honestly ridiculous. It launched so hard. My wipers came on, as you guys saw. I did not touch the wipers. That was wild. How much smoother overall that just shifts. Let's try this. We're going to do a quick 40-minute roll, maybe a 30 roll. Yeah, let's do a 30 roll. Hopefully the camera doesn't go flying. Felt really well. At least the wipers didn't come on this time. Alright, now that I'm done with that, I definitely have to go home, wash the car, and I need to go find a decent spot to take pictures of the RS. I haven't taken any decent pictures since I've wrapped the car, so make sure you guys follow my Instagram and look out for those pictures that are coming soon. Alright guys, that is going to conclude today's video, so hopefully you enjoyed it. If you have, go ahead and smash that thumbs up button, drop a comment in the comment section below, and of course guys, if you're new to the channel and you haven't subscribed already, please consider doing so. Until next time, I'm out.